total sample tested are 4,648. Out of these, 910 samples are positive for COVID-19 with a positivity rate of 19.58. Now today at the same time we have reported 6 COVID deaths. 5 at Government College and 1 at one of the private hospital in South Goa. Nothing to note about these 6 COVID deaths is out of 6 deaths, 5 are not vaccinated and only 1 person has got a single dose of a vaccine. These are the statistics for today, and very soon media bulletin will be out.
So how many new cases today?
910.
910.
Yes.
That cases are declining. Yesterday we had 500 cases out of 2659 people tested. We know that the testing was less yesterday, but if we take the rolling average, which is the average of that day and the previous 7 days, yesterday's value was 1251. Today's value is 1124, and if you go over the last 7 days, we know that on 19/5 the rolling average was 3258. We definitely know the cases are now declining.